Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to be giving you a look at this really cool UV flashlight, and I'm going to show you some of the things that you can utilize this for and show you how it looks under the UV flashlight in a dark space. So this just charges using a USB-C, and this little flap right here can be lifted up to expose that. When it's in the process of charging, the little power button up here with the letter D will flash red, and when it's fully charged, it will glow a solid green. It has a nice, sleek design, definitely a great pocket size, and you've got a little clip here so you can wear it on a belt or even clip it onto a bag. And there's tons of use for this around your home or outdoors. So there are certain plants or insects and creatures that will glow under this UV light, so you can help detect things like poison oak. But my favorite way to use this is around my home. Now, it's a little bit traumatizing, so I'm gonna go show you what this looks like in my bathroom, because this will show bodily fluids or like cat and dog urine, and it can help give you a sense of what might need to be cleaned. Now, there are also detergents and maybe some cleaners that will show up under UV light as well. So some things might be that, but otherwise, this is going to be a great way to make sure you can get a deep clean on your surfaces. Other things that this can sense are things like ringworm. It can show you leaks with your air conditioning system. It can cure UV glues or paints, and it will make certain types of glass glow as well. And my toddler has some glow-in-the-dark items that this will charge up, so I think that that is a really awesome option as well. And this can be used for anti-counterfeit detection, so things like dollar bills, you can see the strip that runs through it. So this is such a cool tool. It makes me want to go deep clean my entire home. It will definitely be something that I take with me traveling. There are so many things that you can use this for, and it is powerful. It's nice and compact. I love it so much. So I would definitely give this a try if you were looking for a UV flashlight.